children. Good morning again to all of you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to all of you once again. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Now tell me, all of you, you have completed your worksheet that was shared in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
No? How much is left, beta?
Ma'am, in number 2, so I leave the class. So, ma'am, I have done in science one. Ma'am, I am done.
Stuti, what you speak, beta? I don't know why I'm unable to understand. Is it you who speaks it unclearly, or is it your device that is not able to convey it properly? I don't understand. What did you say? Just say it again.
Ma'am, I am not done. Worksheet number 1.
Oh, beta, not worksheet number 1. Now you tell me about this one. The one I shared in the previous period.
Ma'am, she is saying that she has not done.
Okay. Those who have not done, I'm giving you 5
Morning,
minutes
ma'am.
to complete your worksheet. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Then we will discuss and then we will start with our next class.
Ma'am, I have not done my worksheet.
Now, Zoya, you were not there in the previous class. Those who were not there in the previous class, the question is not for them. Now they will just wait. Is that clear?
Ma'am, please share the screen.
Yes, beta, I'm
Mom?
sharing it. Give me 1 minute.
Ma'am,
I'll just share the screen. Give me
Okay,
just 1 minute. Okay.
Ma'am, we don't have to write.
You don't have to write. Of course, you have to write. How will you do without writing?
Ma'am, why the question mark? Not fine.
Yes. Now you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, which copy is open? Ma'am, which work is this?
Beta, this is your social
This is
studies
social
work.
science.
Social science work. This is a worksheet that has been prepared by me and you're supposed to do it in your social studies copies.
Ma'am, please scroll up. I have not done it. Ma'am. Ma'am, I have done all the answers and questions.
Very nice, beta.
Ma'am, can you please share 6th and 7th?
How many
Ma'am,
of you have
please
done? How many of
scroll
you have?
down. Please
Beta,
scroll
wait.
down.
Let me
Ma'am, I
listen.
have done till. Ma'am, I have done till 16, but I have not done 6th and 7th.
Okay, I'll share it later. Just wait.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am,
Beta, I have scrolled down completely. There is nothing below it. Now, Stuti, you want me to scroll up?
yes, ma'am, from natural two, so I have not done.
Which sentence do you want? Tell me the number.
Ma'am, from
Huh?
ma'am, 9.
Ninth.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done my.
Ninth is, wait. Dash is the study of ancient remains.
Ma'am,
Stuti, right.
ma'am, I have done my all the work.
Dash is the study of ancient remains. Those who have done the work, be quiet. Dash is the study of ancient remains. Now, Shirsh, you want to know the sixth one, right? What
Yes,
is the
ma'am, and
sixth
7.
sentence? The modern period refers to the history of the recent times. And in this, there is no blank because I have written the answer myself. Underline the modern period. The modern period refers to the history of the recent times.
Ma'am, can I show 7th one, please?
Okay, just wait, children. What I'll do is I'm sending both these sheets on 4th B group. Okay? Those who have missed anything, please see from there because it is very difficult to cater each child's need.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Scroll down. Okay, see. Rest, I'm sending both the sheets there. Fourth B. Yes. Just check the class group, everyone.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, can you do answers now? Ma'am, I want to
Later
see
we will do
your
answers only when everyone will finish, no? How can I just start discussing?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please show last one. Ma'am, ma'am, this is after them fill in the blanks.
After fill in the blanks means what? Yes? I don't understand what you're asking, beta. Ask it again if you want to know something.
What, ma'am?
If you want to know something, ask me again. I was not able to understand your question.
Ma'am, I not tell any question. Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am. I, Rishabh Kumar, I have done the fill in the blanks and I have
Very,
written answer.
very good.
अंजलि मैम, पलक मैम, शालिनी मैम भेज देते हैं सारा वर्क जो क्लास हो रही थी उस पर.
Group text.
Beta, mute yourself, Avni.
Sorry, ma'am, I by mistake I scribbled in the board. ये क्या हुआ? ये क्या कर?
Okay, children, for the last time I'm asking now, how much time do you need to complete the worksheet? Hmm?
Ma'am,
2
2
minutes.
minutes.
Okay. Anybody else who needs time, or it's only Kanishka? I think it's only Kanishka then. Hurry up, Kanishka. We can't wait more than 2 minutes. Okay, children, all of you ready to discuss? Time up.
Yes, ma'am.
Game over. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The
I am
first
done.
one. Very nice. Okay, everybody, put on your cameras. Let me see everyone's face. All of you are sitting so comfortably with your cameras off, including me, huh? Okay, the first one, dash tells us about events that had once happened. What is the answer? Pratyaksh Rathi will tell.
Ma'am, I think calendar.
Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Calendar is good. Very good. Calendar is not the correct answer, beta. It is history. Okay. Everybody, write down the answer history. How many of you did not write history? Shish, what did you write?
Ma'am, history.
Then why didn't you tell when I asked? Why were you quiet? Yash Raj Mahajan, what had you written? Yash Raj, what did you write, beta? Nobody's answering. Have you even written the answers, children? Avni, Karthik,
Yes,
Stuti,
ma'am.
Arush. Athar, Devansh, all of you open your cameras. Hurry up. Yes, yes, hurry up. What is wrong today? Otherwise, every day you put your cameras on. What is wrong today? Okay, what is the next one? Shirish, read out the next sentence.
A dash is a person who specializes in the study of history.
Okay, what is the answer?
I'm a historian.
Very good. Avni, what have you written?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arthur.
Ma'am, ma'am, when I am writing the question of the worksheet, I forget to mark the dash. So, ma'am, I can mark the dash from sketch pen.
Yes. You can use colored pen to mark it.
Ma'am, what is first answer?
Yes, next one. Who will read out the next one? Sarthak. You will only read out the next one now. What is the next one? Sarthak, read out the third blank.
Ma'am, the next one is a dash is a person who, sorry ma'am, ma'am, and dash is a person who lived long ago.
Okay. What is the answer? A dash is a
Ma'am,
person.
I don't know.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also don't know.
Who has written this answer? Yes.
I'm ancestors.
Very nice. The answer is ancestors. Everyone write. What is the spelling of ancestors, Shirish?
Ma'am, ANSISTERS.
Wrong. Shirish, what is the spelling of ancestors?
ANISITER.
A-N-I-S.
T-O-R.
What are you speaking?
Ma'am, ANCESTOR.
Very nice. Very nice. The
Ma'am,
correct
please tell again.
is A-N-C-E-S. Ancestor. An ancestor is a person who lived long ago. What is the next sentence?
Ma'am, please tell ancestral.
Ancestor spelling
History
is
is divided
Can you
in
see the board?
dash periods.
Ma'am, 3.
History is divided into how many periods?
3.
3. Ma'am, 3 periods are modern period, ancient period, and
Medieval period.
medieval period.
Okay, what is the next blank? What is the next sentence now?
The dash period starts from the time life began on the earth, ancient period.
Which period began from the time when life began on the
Ancient.
earth? Everybody
Ancient.
say, what is the spelling of ancient?
Ma'am,
ANCIENT.
please tell the fourth.
What was the fourth sentence?
Ma'am, 3.
3. History has been divided into how many periods? It has been divided into
3.
3 periods.
3.
Yes. Now read out the next sentence. Kanishka Yadav, read out the next sentence.
Ma'am, it's 5th one.
I don't know the number. What number is that?
The dash period starts from the time life began on the earth.
That is
Ma'am, we have
the
done this.
we have done
Ancient.
this. After this one, beta, I think the sixth one.
The dash period refers to the history of recent time, modern.
Modern period.
Modern period.
Underline
And
modern,
modern.
beta. Underline the word modern because I have written the answer only in the worksheet.
Modern period.
Then the seventh one. What is the seventh one?
The two sources of history are
Dash
literary
and dash.
source and
No, be quiet.
archaeological
Who
source.
will tell? Devansh Verma.
And the fourth, fifth. Archaeological source and
Okay, Arush. Shh. Arush, the sentence you want to know, please read it out yourself. I will tell you the answer. Read it and tell me which one do you want to know. Yes, Arush.
the previous.
Yes, beta. Please read. Arush. Tell me the spelling. I will tell you. Don't ask anybody there. Tell me the spelling. Children, which sentence is he asking? Sentence number? Arush, beta, which sentence are you asking?
Ma'am, fifth.
Read it out. Just try to read it out. Tell me the spelling.
The period.
The period.
Period starts from the time life began on the earth.
Yes. This period starts from the time when life began on the earth. Which is that period? It is the oldest period. It is the ancient period. Okay, look up here on the board. I have written the answer, ancient period. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next. Now, who will read out the seventh sentence?
Dash and dash are two great epics.
Yes, dash and dash are two great epics. Which are the two?
Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Yes, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Okay, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Then the eighth one. Who will read out the eighth one?
Dash is the study of ancient remains.
What is the study of ancient remains? Tell me. Dash is the study of ancient remains. Archaeology. No, archaeology. Archaeology is the study of ancient remains. Arush, mute yourself. Then the ninth one. What is the ninth one?
Dash and dash are the example of archaeological source.
Dash, dash, and dash. So we have three dashes. Now, children, what all are the examples of archaeological sources? We have so many. Oh God, Samya, mute yourself. We have so many sources of history as archaeological sources. What are those sources? It can be forts, pillars, buildings, coins, paintings, sculptures, tools. These all come under what? All these come under archaeological sources of history. So let's just write Any three. What will I write? I will write tools, coins, and paintings. I will write paintings. You can write any three of your choice. Okay? Because I have some less space, I will write this.
Ma'am, I also write tools, coins, and pens.
Very nice. Now, what is the next sentence?
Ancient buildings built by humans are
Monuments.
Very good. Ancient buildings built by humans. What are they called?
monuments.
Monuments.
Monuments. Monuments.
Monuments. Then next.
Dash are engraved messages on pillars, temples, forts, and plates, etc.
Dash are engraved messages. So, what are engraved messages? What is the answer? What are engraved messages called? Engraved messages.
Historian.
Inscriptions.
Inscription.
Inscriptions are what? They are engraved messages. Fine. Then next, the study of inscriptions.
Ma'am, what is the answer of
Of what? Of which number, beta? Tell me the number.
Ma'am, 12th one.
12th one. See, what is the 12th one? 12th one is dash are engraved messages on pillars, temples, forts, plates. So engraved messages could be anywhere. They were found everywhere. What are engraved messages called? They are called inscriptions. Engraved messages are called inscriptions. And what is the study of inscriptions called? There is a particular word given to the study of inscriptions. That is, see the 13th one. The study of inscriptions is called everybody write down. Epigraphy. What is it called? I think many of you have not written this answer. So you have to write. Write it down. Literary sources can be dash and dash in nature. Literary sources can be what and what in nature?
And what is the answer of 13th one?
Really? Yes, what is? 13th one is
And what is the
epigraphy.
answer of 13th?
Epigraphy, see it is on the board. Epigraphy. And literary sources can be dash and dash in nature. They can be religious and non-religious. Non-religious. Okay? Write it down. Then, what is the next one? The dash is an example of non-religious text. Now, what is an example of non-religious text? Non-religious text can be biography or autobiography. Non-religious. It can be a biography or an autobiography.
Ma'am, when the class will over?
Beta, it will get over in 10 minutes. Biography and autobiography is non-religious now. Biographies and autobiographies, do they have something religious in them? No, because it is based
No,
on
ma'am.
the normal lifestyle of any ruler, common people, or anything. Which are the religious sources of history? They are Upanishads, Vedas, Purans, Ramayana, Mahabharata. These are all religious in nature, while biographies and autobiographies are non-religious in nature. Okay. And dash is a self-written story. Now, which is a self-written story? Tell me.
Autobiography.
Autobiography.
Very nice. And autobiography. Autobiography. Because it is written on oneself. A person writes it on his own life story. Okay?
Ma'am, can I send it on WhatsApp?
Yes, send.
Ma'am, can I also? Ma'am, can I also send?
Beta, we have now discussed it. If you want to send it there, you can send it. But please make sure to learn this worksheet. Okay, because I saw your preparation is not very good. You have forgotten everything. Not all of you are answering these questions. In other two classes, 4th A and 4th C, students were so spontaneous in giving answers and correct answers. Now done it? Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now children see.
Yes, ma'am.
The last class when we had of this thing, which subject? English creative. Okay, what we did an essay on water is life, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have written essay on water. Everybody please now close your SST books and bring your English creative copies.
Ma'am, can I read my essay Water Life?
Rishabh, please be quiet. I will tell you what you are supposed to do. Okay, don't worry, I'll make you read. You have written good essays. I know all of you. Water is life. That was the topic given to you. Now, I told you to begin. Okay, let everybody be back, then I'll speak. Water is life. I told you to begin writing this essay with a good slogan. Okay? Good slogan. Now, all the essays that we start, they do not necessarily have a slogan. Like for example, any essay that is based on water, food, earth, then it can be on your safety, road safety and all. these kind of essays will have a slogan in the in the starting. Okay, we can write a slogan. But suppose I give you a topic like write an essay on my summer vacation. So do you think it will have any slogan? No. On summer vacation, there is no slogan. We have slogans for these kind of topics which are universal topic, which are not personal narratives. Sometimes any essay can be a personal narrative, but essays like these, water is life, the earth, the green earth, or road safety, these kind of topics have slogans. Yes, plants, trees, very good. These kind of topics can have slogan in the beginning. Then after it, what we will have, the first part, an essay. Okay, now an essay is what? A long paragraph. It is an elaborated form, an expanded form of passage or paragraph. So essay generally has 3 to 4 paragraphs. What do essays have? They have 3 to 4 paragraphs. The starting paragraph. The starting paragraph can be introduction. What will we give? We will give introduction. Like in this essay, we can say what water is. Water is, what is water? It is found on the earth in almost how much earth is covered with water? You can write that
70%.
70% of the earth is covered with water. Water is transparent. Water is colorless. Water is tasteless. Okay, these kind of things to tell what water is. To tell what water is. Then in the center, in the middle part, that is the second paragraph, comes the main body of the essay, wherein with this topic we can write about the uses of water. Then we can write the importance of water, how important water is for trees, for plants, for human beings. Then uses, importance. Then we can write the benefits of
also.
Yes, we can write the benefits of water. Water is so good for us, for our circulation of different functions of the body. It stimulates all functions of the body. It keeps us fresh. It keeps us active. It keeps our skin and hair good. Then these are the benefits. Then we can talk about where water is found, or where water is found can be spoken in the introduction also. Water is found in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, like that. Okay. Then after uses, importance, benefits, and anything else that you can write in the main body.
We are not waste water.
No, nothing. Very good point. We should not waste water. Now, let's come on to the third part. That is the end of the essay. That is conclusion. Conclusion means to end something, to conclude something. Now, in the end, when we talk about the uses, importance, benefits, that it is so important in everything. It is so important for all trades, in all businesses, in factories, in all industries, that everything, the human progress depends on water. The conclusion will come that we should not waste water. Let's conclude the essay by saying, we should not waste water, we should save water, we should use it wisely. Now you can give 1 or 2 tips that how water can be
Bye,
used
ma'am.
wisely.